What's up, parent? Welcome to Profit Web for one more learning video tutorial. And today we are going to check this NSE index gainers data. Okay, so especially this data, what happens will give gainers whichever performing stocks are there. Okay, so we try to take this data and we will take the symbol LTP and we will try to filter it out this data. Okay, so for further cleaning and processing will be there. So as of start we are doing this stuff. So first of all we'll read this. So to save this stuff, all you have to say is save as. You can save anywhere and any of the name you want. Since it is in JSON, just save as and give the name you want. Okay, so with this, read this JSON. So we'll call with import JSON. Okay, and the next thing we will call import pandas as PD. Okay, and we'll try to increase, you can see. So import pandas as PD. Then we'll go with open of this gain dot JSON. Okay, so this is the gainers data is there. So especially this will be best if you want to trade in equity to get some stocks, then filter as per your requirements and then can trade. So I am filtering as per the LTP. I'll get some data. Then in next video maybe I'll compare with the available future stocks and trade only those stuff. Okay, so filter we can do, and I've been already done videos related to this API checkpoints, especially in trade tester. So if you want to utilize trade tester, visit the website or check the videos and it will be helpful. Definitely it is a categories, and in categories what happens, we just have to give this the upper format. especially this especially contains the Nifty and Bank Nifty and all those stuff. So at least we have to give this, and we have to take it all those data. Okay, so whatever there I want, definitely each and everything. So first of all I just say Nifty. Okay, then I will go with the Bank Nifty. Okay, then I will go with the Nifty next 50. Okay, so that's how I'll try to go. So it will be Nifty next 50. Okay, so Nifty next 50, and then I try to go with the sector. So sector, the main sector that will be comes with the sector 20. Okay, sector 20 will be there. So I want this sector GTR. So especially not sector, sec GTR. Okay, so this is the columns which you have to refer to get the data. So you have to follow as per the column name. Okay, so I got this, and then I'll go with as SEC. Okay, so lower that will be capital. Okay, 20, and after this what happens, we'll go with the FO section. Okay, then finally all section. Okay, so this is how you have to give the syntax name. So you need to remember this stuff. This is important. So we'll say all sec and we will close, and then finally it is done. Then we'll go with the df equals pd dot concat, and in this concat we have to go with parentheses. We have to go with the pd dot data frame, and in this there is a category is there, and that comes with the data. And I hope I'm not closing this still yet. So after data, maybe I'll just get with stuff. So here, if I concat, so pd dot data frame will be there, data, and in this if I'll close and the concat, I need to understand here happens parenthesis should be there. That is the reason I'm getting error as I read. Then the close after this data, say after closing this stuff, it is really necessary. So maybe I just close this data, and our pd dot data frame is still not closed. If I say that this pd dot data frame of what, data of category, and that data should have this close. And after this we need to start with our symbol and LTP. Okay, so we need to call this column. So symbol and LTP will be there after getting this in a data frame, especially that JSON. So for cat in categories, cat in data. Okay. So I think this will be there. So first of all we have to close, and one more final close will be there. So at least in bracket closing or opening should not be there. And final, we'll try to sort this stuff. So we say sorted df dot sort underscore values. Definitely I want to sort this as LTP, and it will come with the ascending, so we don't have to write anything. Just we have to, whatever index will be there, we just have to reset that. So what happens, we will be able to get the data without improper index. So, and I will print them in a string. So what happens, it will properly the data given will be visible. To underscore string, and the index I will say as a false. Can take in CSV and wherever I want. So first of all, I just check that everything is good. I have not mistaken anything. Definitely while running I may be able to resolve further, but still I try to get the syntax. I'll just check that everything is good. Okay, and all section is concat, and I believe data symbol of LTP I want, and for cat in categories, and I close this. Somewhere I begin then close, and the final moment sorted and done. If I get error, I'll try to resolve. So it says suggested that LTP and reset. Sure. Once again we will run. Finally we got our data. Okay. So I'll give this code, check out, and I'll further filter as per my requirement, because I definitely want to get as per future option stocks. Okay, to hedge them and to realize further, so it will be great. And at least these stocks I definitely don't want to trade, only which is available as per future and stocks I want to trade. So all this start filter I will definitely gonna do in my next video. For now, thanks for watching. Please do like, share, and If you have any doubt regarding this video, please do comment below. If you have any other queries or requirements, please do contact me direct to WhatsApp.